Hey everyone, love that soft, crunchy ice you get at cafes but hate running out at home? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we are checking out the best countertop ice maker machine that brings Nugget ice straight to your kitchen. This countertop ice maker machine is built for speed and convenience. Let's get started. Meet the Ohami Nugget countertop ice maker machine. This compact unit is designed to give you cafe-style nugget ice without needing a large built-in system. It sits neatly on your counter and starts working almost right away. One of the biggest highlights of the Ohami Nugget countertop ice maker machine is how fast it works. It can produce fresh nugget ice in just 6 to 8 minutes. That means no long waiting when you want a cold drink. Whether you are making iced coffee in the morning or serving guests in the evening, you get ice quickly and consistently. The machine features a 1.2-quart water tank, which allows it to produce up to 34 pounds of ice per day. That is a generous amount for home, office, or small gatherings. You do not have to keep running to the store for bags of ice. Just refill the tank when needed and let the machine do the rest. It also comes with a removable 1.8-pound ice basket. This makes it easy to access and transfer your ice. When the basket is full, simply take it out and pour the ice into your cooler or directly into your drinks. The design keeps everything simple and clean. Now let's talk about the ice itself. The Ohami Nugget countertop ice maker machine produces soft and chewable pellet ice. This type of ice cools drinks quickly without watering them down too fast. It keeps the flavor of your coffee, smoothie, or cocktail strong and enjoyable. And if you like to chew on ice, this nugget style is much more pleasant than hard cubes. Portability is another strong point. The machine measures only 9.45 by 11.6, 1 by 12.99 inches, so it does not take up much space. It also includes a sturdy handle. That means you can easily move it from your kitchen to your office, or even take it along for RV trips, camping, or parties. It is designed to be flexible and travel-friendly. There are also thoughtful design details that improve daily use. A built-in ice scoop holder keeps your scoop in one place, so you do not have to search for it. The large viewing window lets you see the ice being made. With just a glance, you can check the progress without opening the lid. Smart alerts make the process even easier. The Ohami Nugget countertop ice maker machine notifies you with an ice full alert when the basket is full. It also shows an ADD water alert when the tank needs refilling. These simple indicators help you avoid guesswork and keep everything running smoothly. Cleaning is often a concern with ice makers, but Ohami has made it simple. The machine includes a 15-minute self-cleaning function. With one button, it runs a cleaning cycle to keep the interior fresh. The top cover also lifts easily for deeper cleaning when needed. This double cleaning design helps ensure that your ice stays safe and hygienic. Noise level is another important factor. This machine runs at less than 50 decibels, which is about as quiet as normal conversation. It will not disturb your work or your relaxation time. At the same time, it consumes around 3 kilowatt-hours daily, helping you enjoy efficient refrigeration without worrying too much about energy use. Safety and reliability are also covered. The Ohami Nugget countertop ice maker machine is ETL certified, which adds confidence in its safety standards. On top of that, Ohami provides a 1-year service promise and responsive technical support. That extra support makes the overall experience more reassuring. Overall, the Ohami Nugget countertop ice maker machine combines speed, portability, smart features, and that delicious chewable nugget ice all in one compact design. It fits easily into your daily routine and makes every drink feel a little more special. Ready to upgrade your drink game? Check the price link in the description and see the latest details. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more awesome product content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.